previous video we have running or we have run Hello World application. In this video we see how to design a screen. For example, we see here how to design a login screen. So as I have told in earlier video, this is the folder structure. Inside folder structure, project folder, there is one main package application. Inside that application package, there are some sub packages like manifest, Java, and resources. Inside manifest, there is one Android manifest.xml file which is related to configuration. We will see it later. Then one Java folder is there. Inside Java, there is one main activity.java file. For coding, for Java coding, we use that particular file. Then inside resources, there is one sub package named layout, and inside layout, there is one activity main.xml file where we are designing our activity. Here, activity means one touchable component, rectangular component, which is ready to interaction. When we run any Android application, whatever we see the screen which is ready for the interaction, which is touchable component, is called as the activity. We go from one activity to another. Like on a web application, we move from one web application to another. Like same here, we may go from one activity to another. So here we see one design part here, and here is the coding part, which is the XML. And by default, layout is the constant layout, and here is one text view. So here we are designing according to our requirement. So we move towards the design part, and we are using here linear layout. Linear layout means the container part. Inside layout, we place our controls, means how we want to organize the control. We see here one by one. Inside linear layout, we set the orientation as vertical or horizontal. Means if I said this is the linear layout, this is my screen size, and this is the screen width, the whole width, and this is the screen height. Inside width, here is one property value. Width is the property and match parent is the value. Match parent means for this main parent control or parent child or parent root control, the for this constraint layout or first child control, parent is itself screen. So for the parent, this layout parent is screen, and match parent means as per the parent size. Means for layout, parent is screen. Whatever the screen width is there, I want that width for this layout. So both are match parent, means whatever the screen width and whatever the screen height I want for the layout. So I'm giving here a match parent for both. Okay. If you want the height according to my content, then we will give the height or width as wrap content. Means according to my content, I want width or I want height. Then we will give the height or width as wrap content. Means both values you may give. Match parent means according to parent I want the width or height, or according to my content I want height or width. Or you may give the constant height width like 100 dp, 150 dp, means constant. So in this way we see the control and their properties one by one. Here we want one login window or login activity. So we need one a button, one image, one text box. Inside Android, there is a text view for label, means which is for a read-only purpose. User can't edit it. Then edit text is there, which is equal to text box, means user can enter text or alphabets or numbers inside that edit text. So we need to design controls one after another, one below another. So we give the linear layout for whole screen, means for linear layout I want height and width as screen height and screen width, and inside I want controls one below another. So I will give the orientation as vertical. Vertical orientation means one control, then another control will be placed after that below that first control, means in vertical manner our controls will be placed. If you give the orientation as horizontal, then our control will be placed one after another, means in horizontal manner. So see here, this default constraint layout I am removing. I'm removing this default constraint layout and adding linear layout. We will see one by one layout. Okay, first we learn how to give or how to use linear layout. So here by default width and height is match parent, means whatever the screen size I want for the layout size. Okay, then inside this text view I am removing the default text view and adding my own text view. Okay, text view means here read only, for read only purpose. At the runtime we can't change the text of text view or content of text view. Okay, here I'm giving the width as match parent, means whatever the linear layout width, it takes the text view width. Means for text view parent is linear layout, and for linear layout parent is our screen, actual screen, phone screen. Okay, so this is the parent child relationship. Then again I am adding the property as text and giving the value as login, text size as 20 sp, layout gravity as center horizontal, or you may give the text alignment as center. Give the values as per your requirement, as per your design choice. Then here I am giving the text alignment because I want that login as at center. Here I am giving width as match parent, so whole screen width it captures, but height is according to my content, because I have given wrap content. Okay, so height is according to my content and width is whole layout width. Now again I am adding margin and padding. You may give the text color. If you know the hash code, then give hash code directly, or if you have storing the color values, then you may give @color. Inside values package there is one colors.xml file. We will see it later. Now this is my login text view. Now I am adding one edit text for username and password. This is editable. Now again I am giving the width as match parent and height as wrap content. For this edit text, parent is again linear layout. So according to linear layout width, my edit text width is. Now I'm adding horizontal margin. If you are giving only margin, then top, left, right, bottom margin will be there. If you are giving only horizontal, then only left and right margin it includes. Then hint is like a placeholder. Hint is username. Then I'm adding internal margin, which is padding. Keep in mind, give SP when you want to give the text size, and other than this you may use DP. Similarly, I want another text, edit text for the password. Here I am giving input type as no, I don't want this text view but edit text. This edit text I want to copy paste. So here I am copying and paste here. Here if you want a number as input type, then give input type as number, then only numeric keypad we will see. Here input type is text email address for first edit text, and for second we need to give text password or number password, whatever you want, give the input type. This is the smart editor, so you will get the suggestions, okay, number password or text password. So here is password. Then I want one button, so I'm adding one button control. Again give width and height. Some properties are common for all the controls like height, width, padding, margin. These properties are common for all the controls. Now I'm adding padding horizontal, some 50 dp. Default color, we will see the default background color. If you want to change the background color, then add the property as background and give the color whatever you want. Now I'm adding the margin horizontal as 50 dp, or you may give the property as a layout gravity and give the center, so it will be placed at center. So there is no need to add layout margin. Instead you may give the layout gravity and you may give center horizontal, okay, layout gravity, center horizontal, okay. So in this way you may design your Android application screens. If you know the CSS, then it is very easy here to design our activities, because similar properties are here. So this is one login screen, sample login screen. We are in learning phase. Now here I am searching for one image so that I can add it inside my project folder. Whatever resources you want, you need to copy and paste inside the project folder, inside your project folder. So here I am copying one image. Okay, I'm downloading it and then copy, then go inside my project folder. Inside drawable you may paste. Keep in mind, whatever the file name, you need to give in small letters. Don't use capital letters. So here I am adding one image view. To display images, you may use the image view control. Here I am giving width and height as wrap content, means according to my image size, height and width will be adjusted. Now give @drawable because our image is inside the drawable package. So this is the standard @. If you want from colors, then @color, here @drawable, and whatever your file name is. Now here I'm giving the layout gravity as center, then margin top because I want margin at the top. So I think this is now perfect. Now I'm adding one small controls. Inside edit text I want one small control or icon. Email. Go to action bar and don't select launcher icon but action bar and tab icons. Then use color as per your choice. Okay, or you may use black and white, gray shades. Give the name to icon. IC email I am giving here. Give only small letters and do not use capital letters. Then again I am adding one more image asset for the password. So I am adding one lock sign. Okay, so here is lock, and I am changing the name IC_password and changing the color. Okay, I am only giving you one example how to add. Now add the property drawable, left, right, top, bottom. Here I want at the left side, so I am using the property as drawable left, and give the value as drawable @drawable IC_email. Okay, so here is our small icon inside edit text. Now I want some space between icon and hint, so give drawable padding property. Okay, so there is a small space. Similarly, I am adding inside another edit text, only we change the icon as password, IC password. So in this way we add some small icons. Then I am adding one XML file. I want some shaded background for this login button. So how we can add this? Now here I am giving B as capital, so don't give the capital letters while giving the file name. Okay, shaded background, one XML file here I am creating. Now inside this selector tag, use some one more child tag as item. Then I need to add one shape, then give the shape as a rectangle, add the property shape as a rectangle, then some circular border I want, some gradient effect I want, so add one gradient tag, then start angle, start color and end color we need to give, so give some hash color code as per your choice. I'm giving only the example how to add the shaded background for the button or for the layout. Okay, so this is the sample. You may also give the angle 180-degree, okay, from diagonal, from bottom to top, from top to bottom, so you may change the angle accordingly. Then for circular border, so I'm adding corner tag, inside corner, property, radius 100 dp. If you want small circular border, then you may reduce the dp. Okay, now this shaded background effect I want inside my login button, so add one background property here, background, and use @drawable shaded background. Okay, now to see the effect, change the button type from button to app compact button. To see the effect, we need to change our button app compact button. Okay, now see the shaded background, but here I want to change the text color for better look, text color as white, and I want width, some more width, I'm changing the text size. You may also give the text style as bold. I'm giving the width as wrap content, but you may change the width as constant, some constant size, or you may give match parent and add some margin, or margin horizontal. I don't want whole width button, so I'm adding some margin. Okay, so in this way you may design your login screen. Now we run and see how it looks on emulator. Inside build, you may see the steps. Is there any error? Okay, launch succeeded. See the emulator window, and this is our login screen. We are designing our first Android application screen or activity. In next window or next video we will see how we may display some message like toast message after click on the login button, or how to open one activity from another activity. Means after click on login button, if I want to open new activity, then how we can do it. So see in next video how to display the toast message or how to open one activity from another activity.